In today's video, we're gonna cover 4 strategies to help you get 5 to 15 new clients in the next 30 days. First, we're gonna go after new clients and we're gonna follow a 4-step content approach. So you will post content daily following a give, guide, show, and share cadence. With the give, you wanna give out something valuable, a free playbook, resource, or a PDF that helps them solve a tiny problem and positions you as an authority. With the guide, you want to deliver an insight that shows them that you are the person who's able to get them to where they want to go. When it comes to show, you want to show proof that you deliver results for your clients. So testimonials, case studies, and client results are key here. And under the share section, you want to share something from your personal life, behind the scenes content, work that you're doing in your daily basis, but also your beliefs, your passions, and your standards. This will help you to connect in a deep level with your prospects. With the second strategy, we're gonna go after lost clients. So I want you to go back into your sales pipeline, any people that booked with you, no-showed the call, or asked for your services but ghosted you. Go back and reactivate them by sending them the template of, are you still interested in whatever they reached out to you for? For example, are you still interested to win more sales? And if you have made them an offer in the past and they gave you an objection, for example, they thought it was too expensive at the time, you will do what I call a re-offer. So you will use their objection to come up with a better offer for them, and you're gonna present it to them. For example, if they had a money objection, you can help them out by breaking it up into a payment plan. And you can say something like, hey Chris, I know we had discussed about getting possible help with your sales, but money was the primary concern. Would it help you if I came up with a more digestible payment plan so you don't have to postpone your growth? Strategy number 3 is what we call the stealth hand raiser. And this is where we want to get people to raise their hand wanting to work with us. So you can use this post over email or on social. I'm looking for 5 more avatars, that's your ideal avatar, who want to learn in 90 days how to achieve outcome without common obstacles. This will get people to reply back, engage with you, and you can reach out to them through a simple back and forth conversation. Another way to get people to raise their hand is actually reaching out to every new connection that you have, your current followers or every new follower, and send them this. Hey Chris, appreciate you being a follower. Welcome to the community. Are you just here for the content or are you looking to grow your business? Now, if you want the exact step-by-step sell-by-chat process that I use, you can simply DM me on Instagram and see how that plays out. The final strategy is referrals. And the main problem is that everyone forgets to ask for referrals. So you simply take this script and run with it. Hey Chris, it's been a while that we've been working together and I appreciate the opportunity to be able to support you. Can I ask, how do you feel we've been able to help you the most so far? They will reply, and then you will say, with that in mind, who do you know that might be struggling with pain points? You're gonna let them answer. Then you're gonna ask, what would be the best way to contact them to see if I can help them? They're gonna give you the best way, and then ask for permission by simply saying, do I have your permission to use your name when I reach out to them? The other thing that you can do is get them to create a 3-way chat on social, so you transfer all the authority and know, like, and trust factor you have with the other person directly into the new prospect that they are going to invite. So make sure you follow these 4 strategies, and if you want my daily task list that I use to get sales daily, and meaning every single day, comment resource below and I'll send it over. If you've enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.